Did you ever wonder how to use if statement? The if function is one of my favorite formulae in Excel, as not only it allows you to make scenario planning, but also helps in creating very functional dashboards. There are three components to an if statement: what you want to check for, what happens if that condition is met, and what happens if the condition is not met. Here are 5 of the most used if statements that you need to know. 1. A simple if. Let's say I want to give 2 additional products to Yahoo and AOL emails for being true OGs. I can simply say that if the domain column is equal to Yahoo or AOL, it will return 2, otherwise 0. 2. Ifs. Using multiple if statements in a row can get often pretty messy. Did you ever hear about the ifs function? It works just like an if function, except that the value if false is directly the next if statement. So you just have to put the condition, the value if true, then repeat that process until the last condition. Don't you think it's much more readable and easy to follow? 3. SUMIF and COUNTIF. Are you always trying to use VLOOKUPs whenever you have to find a value somewhere? Sometimes it is best just to use an if function such as SUMIF. Let's say that I want to get the sum and count for all the emails with an Outlook domain. I can simply use SUMIF and COUNTIF for this. For SUMIF, I need the range of data, the condition, and the sum range. Same principle for COUNTIF, except that there's no need to input a range to sum, as it needs to count. 4. If error. Aren't you tired of handing out reports or dashboards with error values everywhere? Did no one tell you about if error? This AND if function lets you check the cell value and return an alternative one if an error is found. For example, this division by 0 errors can be replaced by the words invalid order. Or this NA error can be replaced by enter valid unique ID. 5. If NA. When using VLOOKUP and the lookup value is not found, the output will be a NA error, which means the value is not available. Let's solve that by using if NA to make our file look more professional. If NA works in the same way as if error, except that it only triggers for NA errors. This way, you would still be able to catch all of the other types of errors while improving the design of your spreadsheet work. If statements play a crucial role in automating decision making and are widely used in various Excel scenarios. From simple data validation to complex business modeling, understanding how and when to use these if functions will significantly enhance your ability to analyze and manipulate data in Excel. Well, now you know.